In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export QuickBooks Online data. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly export your financial data in just a few minutes. So grab your computer and let's dive in. To begin, you'll want to navigate to QuickBooks using your web browser. QuickBooks Online is a robust tool for managing your finances, but at times you might need to export your data for deeper analysis, record keeping, or sharing with others, such as your accountant or financial advisor. Once you are on the QuickBooks homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you will find the Sign In button. Click on it. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to do this step first. Enter your credentials, including your email and password. Remember, maintaining the confidentiality of your login information is crucial to keeping your financial data secure. After signing in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of QuickBooks Online. Near the upper right part of the screen again, you'll see an icon or a link for settings. Go ahead and click on that. The settings menu in QuickBooks gives you access to various customizable features, but today we're focused on exporting data. With the settings menu now open, the next thing you should do is locate and select the export data option. This link is your gateway to transferring your business data out of QuickBooks. It's typically located in the Tools section of the menu, so keep an eye out for it. Once you've clicked on Export Data, you'll see a new page that allows you to customize exactly what data is being exported. This feature is particularly useful for businesses that only need specific information, rather than the whole shebang. Here you'll see several toggles beside the categories of data you have available, such as customers, vendors, transactions, and so on. You simply toggle on the ones you want to export. Take your time with this step. It's a chance to ensure that you are getting all the necessary information without bogging down your system with data you don't need. After you've selected the appropriate categories, look for the Export to Excel button. This option will compile the chosen data into a format that can be easily manipulated and analyzed using spreadsheet software. Click on it, and QuickBooks will start processing your export. Depending on the amount of data you've selected, this could take a couple of moments, so be patient. As your data is being compiled, it's important to know where the exported file will be sent. Typically, this file will be saved to your computer's default Downloads folder unless you've specified a different location. From there, you can open it with any compatible spreadsheet application such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Once the downloading process is complete, you should double check the exported file to ensure all necessary information has been included and is correctly formatted. It's crucial that all your data is intact and properly organized, especially if you're going to be using it for decision making or reporting purposes. QuickBooks ensures a seamless export process, but a quick review never hurts. If you encounter any discrepancies or issues, it's a good idea to go back to QuickBooks and verify the data you selected for export. Sometimes a toggle might be missed, or additional filters might need to be applied to get the exact data set you need. Adjust and re-export if necessary to get everything just right. And there you have it, a straightforward, no-fuss way to export data from QuickBooks Online. By now you should have your data safely stored on your computer, ready for whatever use you see fit. This method allows for efficiency and accuracy, whether you're analyzing the information yourself or sharing it with someone else. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made the process clear and easy for you. Ensure you keep your data secure at all times, especially when handling sensitive financial information across different platforms. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most out of QuickBooks Online and other digital tools. See you next time.